Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Today I'm at my buddy's house, my buddy Andy's house in Jericho, Long Island, and here to celebrate his dog's 1-year anniversary or 1-year birthday party. Anyway, he's got this Troy Bilt Super Bronco. You guys remember we did a video on us going to buy it. So he's got some problems. So his Super Bronco has a flat, and he's used to fix a flat, and it just comes right out. Same goes for the other one. So I told him, we're gonna put a couple of tubes in there. Go buy some tubes. So he went on eBay, bought a couple of tubes, and I'm gonna help him put them in now. Brought my tools because he don't got no tools. Bought my jack because he don't got no jack. So, as you guys saw, we just put those tubes in there, and while it wasn't fun, we got her done. So anyway, we tried to start it, and it went bang. And then I said, "What's wrong?" He said, "What's wrong with it?" I says, "Your battery's dead." He goes, "But it's a new battery." I says, "I know. I went with you to get it." Anyway, your stator is probably not charging. So then we just went like this. We got 11.79er. Which means the battery is not strong enough for it to start. So what we're going to do now is we're going to start it up with a jumper. That's right, one of those tiny little jumpers, right?
That broke? Are you kidding me?
It broke?
How did that break now?
Oh no.
Oh no, it just popped out of its...
yeah, put the axle back in. And we'll start it up, and then we'll do the multimeter again and see if it's generating enough electricity past 13 volts. If not, we know that this baby needs a new stator. And you guys know how much fun it is to change a stator. I was just going to say, chokage. Keep it running. Alright, ready? If we see 12.6 or 7 and rising, means it's going, it's working. Start while the engine's running now, we want to test and see if it's generating at least 12.7 volts.
1.7 gigawatts.
As you can see, it's at 13.49 and rising. So the stator is generating enough electricity to charge this battery. So we're suspecting that this battery is bad, or he's got some kind of an electrical, you know, a loose wire somewhere that's draining the battery. But that was cool. Changed the, we put inner tubes in these tires. Now he's not going to have to pump up his tires every time he uses it. Everything seems fine. So that's how you put tubes in the rear tires of your toy Bilt Super Bronco. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Engine runs good, idles well, on the lowest throttle. It's tuned very well. 21 horsepower Intech Briggs V-twin. I had this on my Husqvarna 2448T. One of the best engines I've ever had. Turn your lights on. Oh, never mind. I want to see if it starts again. So we got some bonus footage here. Just wanted to show you. One of the complaints that my friend always has is that every time he puts it in reverse to mow backwards, he doesn't have an ROI button, so he has to disengage the PTO just so he can go backwards. So it's a pain in the butt. So I told him, why don't you just, that wire there stuck into the transmission on that spade, just pull the wire out. So he pulled the wire out and just wound it over there. And now, no, but I want you to put it in reverse with the blades and show them that you can now mow in reverse with the blades going.
Oh, by the way, the engine was on the whole time. See that? See that one too?
Disconnected the seat. And now he's mowing backwards. Yeah, baby. So that wire, just disconnect the wire from the transmission, and now you can mow it in reverse. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on...
No way! Okay! Ready! No way! Hey, let's go! Let's go, Flem! Hey! Woo! Woo!